house Paavola. Orivedenkatu Forstikin säger. Here in Hervanta. Tampere Tampere Finland.
Orivedenkatu 8.
Huh?
Orivedenkatu 8.
Yeah. Yes, that's true. It's Pohjois Hervanta, North Hervanta. Let's take a look. Sadly, Munasutke has replaced in 2014 with knife force. Originally built in the, I think, late 1970s or mid 1970s. It will be better in 2023. The serial number is 1164977. The capacity is 8 persons or 600 grams. Fast enough.
Yeah.
I believe it had no inner doors before.
Yeah.
So this was unnecessary replacement. It was a bit boring.
Yeah.
Could have had a wooden interior.
Yeah. Expected by Kiva inspectant, maintained by Kone.
And 9 floors here.
Yeah.
Normally all of these staircases are locked, but actually the staircase A and G are open, but let's just build one.
Yeah.
Because it's too boring.
Yeah.
Sounds like EcoDisc.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is EcoDisc. I like this 1970s style in the building, but the elevators are boring, so that's it.
That's